Sir, pwede ba na malaman ilang bala ang pinutok nung bata and how many live ammunition ang nakuha na pwede pa niyang magamit para mamaril pa ng iba before he killed himself?
Okay. That is the thing that we would like to find out. Sinabi ko kanina, voluminous ammunitions were recovered that intended for Glock caliber 40 and Glock 9mm. And these items were either spent shells, bullet, nandito na sa harapan. Firearms, there are two firearms, one 9mm and caliber 40. If we're talking about live ammunition, there were two 9mm and 5 caliber 40. Ibig sabihin yan, unfired. Fired cartridges, ito yung mga kapsula. Fired cartridges, 4 for 9mm and caliber 43. If you're saying that kung ilan ang nagamit ng firearms, ayun, there are 7. 7 fires. 7. Yes, sir. A minimum of 7. 7 firing. 4 from 9mm and 3 for caliber 40. Kaya sinasabi natin minimum kasi siyempre ang paghawak or ang ng scene is through this physical evidence. And then we're still interviewing or investigating each and everyone na nandun kung ilan yung narinig nila. Kasi malalaman natin yan kung meron pang hindi natin nare-recover. Maybe somebody pick it up or what. No? So, that's the minimum.
Sir, last question to SILG, sir. Sir, pangatlo na po ito na yung sa Tacloban, baril ng Andy. Merong nakuhang sa Region 12, student, may dalang baril ng kapatid na army.
That's right.
And this time, tatay naman baril niya.
That's it. Pangalawa lang yung
sa
active.
na-active.
Isa recovered na.
Yeah. Pero how are you addressing this problem, sir? Yung negligence.
That is
ng
exactly
mga law
what I'm
enforcement.
saying. The law has to be stronger. Lahat ng mga uniform personnel, meron yung rules na kailangan nilang sundin. Number 1 nga dyan yung safekeeping, lalo na kung inuuwi. Lahat yan trained. But you're talking about over 700,000 gun, yung legal gun owners ng uniform personnel, AFP and PNP, Coast Guard and BI. 700,000 yan. These two are too many. Despite the large number, it's a small percentage. Sobra na ang nangyari. So we will revisit and we will retrain and we will reiterate their responsibility. Ang frustrating dito, talaga para sa akin, ang responsibility nila ay hindi akma sa krimen na nangyari. Dapat dyan, equally responsible ang gun owner. Again, I want to work with Congress para matapos na to. Para bigyan ng ngipin ng batas for legal and especially illegal firearms.
Edniel Paroza from DZRH.
Hi, Shek, how did we come up doon sa info na Roblox, again, yung naging avenue para ma-radicalize itong bata? Nakita ba natin, sir, yung initial na trail nung pag-uusap nila through Roblox?
So far, may witnesses na nakita siya naglalaro niyan. Pero wala pa kaming, hindi pa tapos ang forensic examination ng kanyang gadgets. So far, we would call it third hand ang nagsabi na gumagamit siya ron. But from the pattern, yung pattern na ginagamit niya na naka-live video feed tapos nilagay niya doon sa letthemdie.com, parang na-radicalize talaga yung bata. The child, according to reports, was a very exceptional student. Number 1 in his class. So, never had behavioral problems. So we are going to go through all of his gadgets para ma-ascertain namin na talagang ginamit niya yung Roblox para dito.
Sir, yung bago ngayon sa kaso na to, lumalabas na may isa pang platform aside from Facebook na pinag-livean siya. Yung website na Watch People Die. Anong motibo, bakit kailangan i-live stream doon, sir? Anong initial info natin?
We cannot tell. Again, sa tingin ko lang, ni-recreate niya yung scenario na nakikita niya sa video games sa real life. So that's the only realistic na nakikita natin.
And sorry, sir, tama ba na itong website ng Watch People Die, may mga, sino yung audience pala rito, sir?
Hindi ko rin alam. The first time I heard of it, lumabas lang sa report namin. Ang kausap niya kasi matanda na, hindi naman ako nag-video games kaya hindi ko alam yung mga ganyan But we will examine further kung ano talaga yun.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Karen de Guzman from ABS-CBN.
Morning, Sec. Sec, yung naging palaisipan talaga kung paano po napasok yung mga firearms na apparently ay hindi po na-check doon sa loob ng sasakyan. Dahil nangyari po ito sa school, meron din po bang liability yung teacher at yung guard na nandun sa school?
Again, wala. As of now, wala. Ang kailangan na napalitan yung protocol. Kasi yung protocol nila, lahat ng mga private schools, pag kotse dumadaan, hindi na titignan. Pag pumapasok sa pedestrian gate, titignan. Gano'n rin naman yung mga public schools natin Kasi titignan sila ng mga tanod, yung mga pulis at doon. Pero dito kasi, pinapasok yung kotse diretso papunta sa eskwelahan at walang sitahan.
So sa tingin niyo po ba may lapses or may kailangan i-review doon sa
Review
protocol
lang.
na yan?
Review lang. They've been doing the same thing for the last 50 years. Ganun ang ginagawa nila. Nailan nangyari to. So they have to review and they have to reformat their security measures.
Sec, ang lumalabas po ngayon ay parang influence po siya nung gaming platform na sinasabi po ninyo. Pero may nabanggit po si Mayor, may kinalaman din po ba doon sa pagka-pressure niya sa kanyang grades, knowing na siya
Well,
po ay honor student?
Titignan namin yun kasi nga number 1 siya sa class niya as of report. So titignan namin kung anong status ng mga grades niya. You have to understand that it is barely 26 hours since it's happened. So we will go through everything. Wala kaming stones unturned, pero titignan namin na lahat ng angle na yan. Narinig rin namin yung angle na yan, but hindi namin pwede sabihin for sure kasi hindi pa namin na-interview yung teacher na may hawak ng grades niya.
Thank you, ma'am. Eden Santos from Net25.
Last one? Uli na to? Okay na? Meron pa? Oh. Okay.
Secretary
Yes.
Eden Santos po from Net25. Ito pong mga ganitong insidente ng karahasan sa mga paaralan ay parang gina-justify lang nito yung pangangailangan po ng confidential fund ng Department of Education. Sa tingin ninyo?
I have no say on that. That's a trap question So, wag na natin puntahan yan. Okay. I cannot talk for the Department of Education. I am not party to what they have, kung ano meron sila. But that question is loaded and unappreciated.